Good afternoon. Welcome to the March 10th edition of our afternoon update. A very interesting day today, especially in the cotton market, and we'll get to that in just a minute. But let's take a look at some of the markets today. Most of the agricultural markets closed up on the day, although this morning at our morning report they were actually down. We had crude oil down on the day. We have the dollar sharply lower. I've got that circled because that seems to be the thing that stands out. The dollar right now is down 120 points on the day. That gets people's attention. That is a positive thing for commodities. Metal markets are up, and the stock market's down some. What happened in cotton today? At one point, we were down over 100 across the board in all months. We actually, believe it or not, closed up on the day. The final few minutes of the day, the market erupted to the upside. We don't know for sure what happened. We assume some of the speculators that have had their way with the market in recent weeks tried to push the market down again, did not get follow through, perhaps ran into some buying and had to cover their shorts late in the day. And this market did explode to the upside. I mean, it rallied 80 points in the last 15 minutes from where it had been. So cotton's closing up around 22. It's 56.82. It got as high as 56.99, and it was hitting those levels late in the day. The low is 55.66. So very positive day there in terms of price action. Soybeans closed up 2.5 at 8.88 with a high of 8.90. This could be the highest close we've had in some weeks. We've been a little higher than this. We've tested 8.90 in May beans, but closing there has been a little difficult. We did manage to close on the higher end of what we've seen recently. The high is 8.90. The low is 8.81 for May beans. May corn up 2.5 at 362.25. The high was 363.5, and the low was 358. The wheat was up 7 at 475.25 with a high of 477.5 and a low of 465. We have the dollar again, checking the screen again, down 121 points. Crude oil is down right now, 33 cents a barrel. Gold is up $16 an ounce. Silver's up 24 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones at the moment is down 117. So we'll watch this market tomorrow and see if we can get some follow through to the upside. It was a fairly positive updated day in that these markets were down earlier but managed to recover. So that's it. Hope you have a good evening, and we'll talk to you first thing in the morning. Thank you.